Hello, my name is François Cougny. I'm Product Line Manager for the EXFO Optics product portfolio. Characterization of individual optical components is key to ensure solid performance of the overall optical network. So far, the parametric testing of those components, such as insertion loss, return loss, or even polarization-dependent loss, could be performed at fixed wavelengths. However, the arrival of 5G through technologies like silicon photonics and other integrated optics solutions already impose a rapid transformation of passive optical component testing requirements, with WDM channels spaced closer together, optical filters with sharper spectrum, or high port count optical components. Let's take a look at how EXFO Optics addresses these parametric testing challenges. The most accurate way to achieve the required quality of component measurement in a fast and reliable way is to use the swept laser technique. In this technique, a component testing unit operates jointly with a high-quality tunable laser source, such as the T100 SHP, to provide best-in-class spectral measurement. Each T100 SHP laser operates over a specific wavelength range. By combining 3 lasers, full band testing can be achieved with up to 8 dBm output power and a high spectral quality, ideal to maximize the measurement's dynamic range. The lasers are connected to a component tester and eventually to a PC. During a measurement, the laser or lasers are swept consecutively. As the wavelength is swept, the component tester will simultaneously measure the power detected at the output of the device under test. The end result is a spectrally resolved insertion loss characterization with a resolution of 1 picometer. The CT440 and CTP10 are 2 families of component testing products that offer agile test solutions where both speed and accuracy are required. Both CTP10 and CT440 use an optical triggering method for wavelength detection, meaning the results are accurate to within plus or minus 5 picometer, even with tunable lasers of less accuracy. Also, both instruments can be used with several T100 SHP tunable lasers to cover the full spectral range of telecom wavelengths. The CT440 allows to test up to 4 outputs over 65 dB of dynamic range and with a wavelength accuracy of plus or minus 5 picometers. Additional options for the CT440 include a PM version for testing of polarization-sensitive optical devices and a PDL version that measures polarization-dependent loss, as well as insertion loss, using the 4 states or 6 states Mueller method. The CTP10 is designed for a 24/7 manufacturing test environment. The modular platform can accommodate up to 10 modules, including high dynamic range detectors, and has an intuitive user interface with powerful data processing engine. The CTP10 is capable of performing high-resolution characterization of high port count components in a single scan and with full scanning speed. Indeed, the optical detectors are both fast and operate without power ranges. This greatly reduces test time of individual components without compromise on measurement quality. An instrument fast enough for alignment of multi-port optical devices. Don't hesitate to visit our website or contact our representative to talk about your test and measurement challenges and how EXFO Optics products can help you. Thank you for watching.